Goodness. Here, look at this, guys.
Good to go. I
Here's,
got a couple more things to get out of my car.
okay. All right. Okay, Tim, right on. We're going with Captain Tim on a boat ride on Lake Ontario. Because, folks, today's strategy, traveling with attitude, takes us boating. You never know where you're going to end up. And it happened through random acts of kindness. I was recycling for the environment. Tim noticed, said his family's been here a long time. Did I want to go on a boat ride? Oh, hell yeah, I want to go on a boat ride. So, yeah. And Tim owns some restaurants and some other things, It's a folk thing. You just meet who you meet, and then you get on boat rides and have a blast, suck the marrow out of life. And I'm going to go swimming. So, that's the thing. Look at this. Look at this. This is, by the way, one of the Great Lakes of New York. So, today's tragedy is a special one. This is called the Random Acts of Kindness Brings You Good Karma. Yes, it does. If Tim hasn't ditched us. No, Tim did not, or Tim left a lady with a boat that could drive away. All right. So whatever you're doing, however you're doing it, have a blast. Have your travel attitude. And I asked him if I can go swimming when we get out on the lake, and he said yeah. So I might give you a swim on the lake on top of it. Tattoo. Oh, look at that. And you know what you're doing. I love it when I don't have to drive. This is wonderful. The feeling we don't have to drive.
I'll give you a little cruise.
Oh, I love it. You tell me anything you can about history, because I understand
I'm a history freak.
They said the War of 1812 was going. The British came in here and really smashed us. I'm like, oh, because I went up to the lighthouse. I wanted to see that.
The what?
The lighthouse.
The old one?
Uh-huh.
You've been up there?
Yeah, I was just walking down from visiting the lighthouse, and I'm like, I want to see some of the
They have a lot
history.
of events there.
Oh,
Usually they have bands there most every weekend.
really?
Yeah. Not rock and roll,
Just
bands.
nice bands.
Casual group up there.
Oh, see? A history buff. And Tim helped clean up this lake of trash. So, someone with good character.
The yacht
Love it.
kids are all racing.
Oh. Oh, look, there's a
All close,
They-
and all the workers come.
well, actually, okay, that's
But
fair.
now it's turned into way more than
Oh,
just
it's
work.
more than blow up. Yeah, they blow up a lot of steam, I guess, huh?
We had a race today down here in one of the marinas.
Yeah?
It was all boats with no motors.
Oh,
It was people
no
rowing
way.
and
Sounds like
canoeing
me.
and shit like that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look at this. Wow, guys. So this bay. From the bay. Oh, wow. So there were
There's
7,000
a golf course
people?
up there. How many?
Okay. Yeah, I saw that. So there's
700.
700 people? But it's nice to do that for the workers.
We'll go by where they were.
Oh, good, yeah. We'll see where they had blow off.
So
Okay.
you're living in, so you drove up from Seneca Falls?
And you're out on the water and you need water.
I'm going to take you back over into here.
Okay.
I'm going to go back. My house is over here.
Oh, yeah. You really are a local. It's a really cool place.
Come to my house if you want.
Oh, no.
It's up to you.
This is Crescent Beach. Look at this. A private tour. Welcome home. This is more fun than New York City. escape. Escape someone's wondrous house on Crescent Beach, you know. Hey friends, what can you say? Happy tragic. Troubles out too. Look at that, guys. That's a light, eh? Welcome to it. This is a great spot. Look at this, guys. Hey guys, bathing suit will travel. So this is Crescent Beach. And you can only get here by private boat, which we know I did. And then you can go for a swim right here on Sodas Bay, which I might do if I have some. We'll see how it feels. I don't know. Oh my God. I don't know. Wow. Touch-it, travel-attitude. Good karma. I did it. He jumped in the Sodas Bay. It was wonderful. So whatever you're doing, however you're doing it, have tragic. Sometimes kind, wondrous strangers come in your life and you just embrace the moment. Tattoo, gratitude. I feel the trash.